Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix camera movement inverted on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. So, are you having a problem with your camera controls in Roblox? So that does your camera move in the opposite direction whenever you look around? If so, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the inverted camera movement issue on Roblox. So this problem can happen after changing site settings, connecting a controller, updating your game, or sometimes even without any obvious reason. The good news is that there are several simple solutions you can try, and the most of them only take a few minutes. It's very simple. So first of all, first you have to open a Roblox. You can log into your favorite game. As you can see in here, here's my camera movement. It's inverted. Now, to fix it, you can check your settings on your in-game on Roblox. So you can go to here on the Roblox menu, go to settings. You can just scroll down. You'll find there is settings for camera inverted. You can see your camera inverted is on. To turn this off, you can just click on camera inverted. So now your camera movement on your Roblox is back to normal. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix the camera movement inverted on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!